Okay, this could very well be my last video. I've got my off-road lights that I've got the actual lights coming, but I need to go get these brackets painted, and it's 25 degrees outside, so I don't want to apply the bully liner in 25 degrees. So I came home early and I'm gonna spray them in the basement, and if my wife catches me, I'll probably be done. All right, gonna make this kind of quick for sake of me staying alive. Since it's bare metal, it's already sanded and everything, but I'm gonna use some acetone, rub it down, make sure it adheres good, then put bully liner on it. I'm gonna go with the camo gray. It matches the body that's on there. I wanted to use a different color, but I didn't have any. I've got this one, so I'm gonna touch it up. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna do the front side and back side and completely paint these since it's bare metal, even though it won't be visible. I don't want it to be exposed to rust. This bully liner is a great barrier for that. So that's definitely what I'm gonna do. I even brought in the smaller air compressor. So we'll see how the smaller air compressor works. It should be fine on this small of a project. All right, first coat done. By the way, there's no VOCs in this, so other than got to get rid of the smell, I'm in good shape. I'm not gonna die from the product, maybe just from the wife.